Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover cloud data with Microsoft OneDrive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover cloud data with Microsoft OneDrive, start by launching the OneDrive application on your device. If you're using a web browser, navigate to the OneDrive website and log in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, locate the Recycle bin on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on the Recycle bin to open it. Here, you will see all the files that have been deleted from your OneDrive. Select the files you want to recover by checking the box next to each item. If you want to recover all files, you can click on Restore All Items at the top of the page. After selecting the files, click the Restore button to recover them. This action will restore the files to their original location in your OneDrive. To confirm the recovery, navigate back to your OneDrive folders and check for the restored files. If you cannot find the files in the Recycle bin, return to the main OneDrive interface. Click on the Files tab to view all your stored documents and folders. Use the search bar at the top if you need to find a specific file quickly. In case the files were permanently deleted, check the Personal Vault if you have stored any files there. If you have a backup of your data on another device, you can upload those files to your OneDrive. To upload, click the Upload button and select the files from your device. Wait for the upload to complete, and ensure that your data is securely stored in the cloud. Regularly check your OneDrive settings to manage storage and recovery options effectively. Keep your OneDrive application updated to benefit from the latest recovery features. By following these steps, you can easily recover lost data from Microsoft OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.